Hello guys, we're back and let's continue practicing the TH sound. Are you ready? In this video, we are going to focus with the voiced TH sound. Alright, in pronouncing the voiced TH sound, the most obvious way in practicing it is that you can feel a vibration in your face. Okay, there are three ways in having a voiced TH in a word. In the beginning, middle, and at the end. Let's focus with a voiced TH in the beginning of the word. For example, there, them, that, this, those. Very good. As you can observe, all the TH sound is in the beginning of each word, and most of them are pronouns or demonstratives. How about using those words in a sentence? They're very eager to learn. They're very eager to learn. Your turn. Very good. Another example. That is what I have wanted since I was a child. That is what I have wanted since I was a child. Perfect. That's good. Next is voiced TH in the middle of the word. For example, weather, mother, clothes, clothing, either. That's right. As you can see, all the TH sound is in the middle of each word. Now, let's use some of these words in a sentence. They weathered a terrible storm while at sea. They weathered a terrible storm while at sea. Your turn. Very good. All right, let's have another example. Either way is all right with me. Either way is all right with me. Perfect. Good job. Last one is the voiced TH at the end of the word. For example, bathe, breathe, smooth. Good job! All the TH sound is at the end of the word. Let's practice using those words in a sentence. I can hardly breathe with all the smoke. I can hardly breathe with all the smoke. Your turn. Getting better. Another example. The cool waters of North Atlantic bathe the island's shores. The cool waters of the North Atlantic bathe the island's shores. Very good. Perfect. We finished our TH sound pronunciation practice. Once again, I am Ellie from Boost English. I hope to see you next time. Goodbye.